emergency, we need to stop. We've got no sweets.
We forgot the sweeties. Clean your lens for clearer pictures.
Always says that.
Why is your lens...
Do you like the fact I'm indicating?
Yeah. Why is your lens so dirty?
It always says that, but the thing is, I don't think it is.
Do you think while they're on exercise, they can literally just nip to the porta potty?
It kind of looks like it, doesn't
You know,
it?
like machine gun in one hand. And I don't mean that one.
Is that what you were calling there?
No, machine gun actually in one hand.
Actual machine gun.
The other machine gun in the other hand.
Double machine guns.
You got to watch out you don't pull the trigger. Shot my foot!
I was mid-flow and I slipped.
Exactly. Breathe.
Oh god. Oh, tin head. Look. It actually says tin head. ST935515 tin head.
Maybe that's the part you're part of.
I'm part of?
You're part of this.
I'm a tin head.
This bit of off-roading's hard going. We're struggling back here. It's really tough.
Wanted to make it really hard right from the get-go.
What's that noise?
Have you not heard it before?
No.
Right at 2,000 revs in third gear, it always makes it.
Where's it coming from?
I don't know. I don't know if it's an issue or if it's just a character of the car.
I've never heard that before.
Literally.
But to be fair, I don't normally drive with the radio on.
Anything... Oh, calls.
Cruise. It's got to get out the field.
Anything over 2,000 revs, it doesn't make it. Anything under, and I'm pretty sure any other gear, it doesn't make it. It's almost like the turbo is like almost spooling back on itself.
I've never noticed it before. But
you have to,
don't fix it.
You have to keep your foot off. It's almost like
that's probably the thing. I'm normally foot down and go, aren't I?
It's almost like there's a vacuum and there's like a bit of a leak or something.
Yeah. You didn't put it on the floor.
I didn't put it on the floor. I put it in a clever place.
That is kind of clever.
This is quite a hill.
Is that?
This hill is quite hilly.
Is it a hilly hill? It's not a flat hill.
It's not a flat hill.
My sock's falling inside my boot right now, which is quite uncomfortable.
Cool.
But there's not really much I can do about it, unfortunately.
Don't see the issue.
If you control the steering, I'll sort my sock out.
Yeah.
I'm hungry. I'm always hungry.
You're always hungry.
I'm not hungry in any way.
Oncoming disco, folks.
Disco?
Discovery.
Oh. I was thinking disco like party. Oh, that's a nice Audi.
That'd be nice.
Ooh.
Seems a little bit... I don't know, it's hard to dare say this. Seems a little bit impractical for this area.
Around these parts.
For my first impression, it feels like we're going in someone's driveway.
It does a little bit, doesn't it?
Is this actually a road?
Hang on. Didn't think I was going to have the steering lock.
Oh, can you
I
imagine
thought that was going to be a shunter.
If you were the only one that had to do a three-pointer.
I could. Wow. Imagine living round here.
I'm not sure if it'd be great or...
Oh my
I don't know.
lordy.
Remember, you cannot stop at any point.
I cannot use my handbrake on a hill. I can stop, I'm just holding it on the brake and the clutch.
Yeah. You're doing some weird three-footed thing.
Yeah, it's good I've got 3 feet, isn't it?
There's a Freelander. Good
Imagine
choice.
living just there.
Uh-oh.
Oh. Is this a wall or is this a bush? Oh my lord.
No matter what it is, you're not stopping at any point now.
Nope.
Or is that car behind? Whee! The torque. Dong. Thank you.
Aerial.
I was waiting for it to smash the back window. You're all good.
I got this face on just in case. I'm on the verge of needing to
You're all good.
stop.
Car's handling it like a champ.
If I realised it was this long, I think I'd have waited a minute and got a bit of more of a gap. I didn't realise it was going to be quite such a long hill.
I just like the fact that it's like cars.
This would make a good picture.
Can just drive straight up so easily.
Wee.
imagine coming down this? Could you just sit on hill descent and just let it crawl down?
Yeah.
Oh, excuse me. Little butt from me.
Your butt was disappointing.
A little bit. I am disappointed.
Leave the burps to me, please.
Expert burper.
I am professional. I've worked for 27 point... however many...
More walkers ahead, folks.
Well, can they go away, please?
Yeah, can they not make us stop?
As long as I don't need to stop, it's absolutely fine. I've worked many years for these burps.
Well, that's a nice
Ready for
gap,
the
isn't
dong.
it?
There you go. Dong, dong, dong. Oh, I feel like it's flattening off a little bit. But yeah.
You can stop at this part if you need to. I look forward to this view, because I feel like how much we've climbed.
It's when there isn't one. Ready for the dong dong?
Dong dong and screech.
Horse riders up ahead, folks.
Oh, God.
We'll keep coming because they're not going to be able to pass us here.
I'm glad we've met them now. What? Sheeps!
Sheeps! Hi, sheeps!
Heyo! Heyo, sheepies!
Smile, sheepies!
Heyo! Heyo!
Oh, we've been left.
Go back! Leave me behind!
I like the way I looked away and I looked back and suddenly it's like, oh, no one's in front.
It's because I was trying to keep a gap because I wasn't sure how much of a hill it was going to be. I nearly made the mistake earlier.
But yeah, you must be, like, the aerials must be dipped to be painted.
It does make you wonder, doesn't it?
I'm
What
sure
you say, there's not someone there with a paintbrush?
I was going to say, can you imagine if someone's there with a paintbrush or something
Yeah.
like that? It's like they must have like 20 of them and they just dip them.
Yeah. Or spray them. I don't know, never really thought about it. Oh, hello.
There they are. They look very bemused. Thank you very much, though.
They were probably smiling happy when it was the first two
Yes,
cars.
they didn't realise there was a chain of
It's like six cars. Somehow I didn't.
How are them horses going to deal with that downhill descent when their feet or hooves get achy?
As a horse rider, would you have to hold on extra tight so you don't
Exactly.
dip over the edge?
Or can you imagine if the horse just went, nah, I'm holding, I'm tired.
Starts rearing up. Traction control.
Well, I don't know if it would rear up or bum up at that point.
Yeah.
If he just lift the bum.
Literally.
Yeah,
rear
exactly.
up.
Be on its nose.
Oh dear, dear, dear me. Someone's lost a glove. Oh, byway.
I'm just wondering, you may know if this UCR down in the wood ahead has been reopened yet.
That's not very good for us.
Sure. Okay, we'll skip that one out. It's only short, and yeah, it's best not to get us all backed up in there and then realise we can't get through. Let you go on your own until you tell us it's clear. It's not a bad shout, Phil. I tell you what, if everyone pulls over on the left just up here, I'll whiz down and have a look.
Gonna say Joel can go and get stuck like he did the other day.
I don't think Joel's going to live that one down, is he? I like that sticker, one life, free it.
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh, Jesus. Wasn't stopping that.
I quite like the way this side just went.
It's good I didn't want to stop in that.
Come on, my ears keep popping.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh no, it's another uphill.
Oh no. Is that Gary behind? He's doing an ace job behind.
Doing an ace job at being behind.
Well, I just mean that like he's like leaving a decent gap and
Yeah.
stuff like that. It's like, ooh.
Oh, this is quite cool.
Oh wow, that'd be an epic mountain bike course with a proper bike.
Yeah,
You have to let me know if you want the modes changing.
I think we'll be okay.
Because the annoying thing is right now it'd be operating a lot in front wheel drive.
Yeah.
I so hope you don't have to stop. working. The car is working. It's working hard.
You don't believe how hard it is to try and keep it from stalling.
I can imagine.
That's why I'm not talking particularly, because it's like oh no.
You'll be fine. I should have looked who's auto and who's not.
Have a snorkel, don't forget to open your left window. It's good on the hills.
I can't wait till we have a snorkel. They sound, honestly,
Do they sound
insane.
good?
Yeah. Remind me, I'll show you one of Joel's videos. They make like a, I don't know what you describe the sound as, but this is part of the reason why I want one.
Not for the functionality, just the sound.
And they look good as well. Wow, this looks so cool.
By the way, how impressive is it that a car that weighs over a ton can pull itself up a hill?
I know.
Not that it's a substantial
Especially at such a slower speed.
Yeah. It's like the same way as the tyres.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, if you didn't know about it, like where this goes in the dark and you went the wrong way.
Oh my god, you'd die. You literally would probably die.
There's some drop.
I just love the fact, like, where is everybody? Am I going incredibly slow? Or is everybody just keeping a big, like, more of a pace than I am? I'm not sure.
I just hope they don't turn off.
Well,
Can you imagine we just keep going up?
Oh, weird. Where have they actually gone? I just feel like you get shook to smithereens if you're not careful.
Little bit.
Back!
They echo that.
There you are.
Those are friends.
Fine shouting once Gary rejoins us, then we'll mosey off again.